that is totally flooded. Now we are actually 2 houses away from our house. We walked up. Alexander's bus stop is up there where the road closed signs were until we had it changed because of this reason. Come on, Raven, home. Come on.
Raven!
There's the dog running back home. She got scared. Alex is in the puddles in his his rain boots. They actually have the road up there closed up here at Alexander's new bus stop.
Oh! The dog again.
So my whole section is closed. If I would have to go to the grocery store, I am basically out of luck today. Raven's having a blast in the rain. She's just loving it. Raven! We have a drain here, and it's doing well for what it does. About an hour ago it was overwhelmed, but it seemed like it caught up because the water went back down.